This is Crypto Trader back at it again with another analysis on January 2nd's Bitcoin movement. Today's actually January 3rd, so I'll be doing an analysis on yesterday's nice movement that we had. So after we saw that epic rise above that $1,000 psychological level, it really held that level and rose up to $1,025. It was a little bit of a sell-off that brought it down to $1,005, but it maintained that magic number of staying above the 1,000 and even hit a new high of $1,034.39. And that was right at this level right here, if you can see my cursor. So a really nice movement that happened there. And that movement probably, I think, was between 11:15 a.m. to about 11:30 a.m. After that was, a little bit of a down, 15-minute candle that I was looking at. And then from about 11:30 to about 3:30 p.m., Bitcoin dropped below that magic number that I wanted to see stay above. And it actually got down to $991.69, which was right about right here. So a nice little retracement that happened there. So in those 3 hours, there was a lot of selling going on that caused buyers to step aside and wait to get in at a lower level. And that $42.70 price drop looked attractive to a lot of buyers, and they stepped in, provided the support to propel it back up to the $1,000 level. And it actually, once it hit this drop, buyers came in, brought it right up to about the 128.70 level. Of course, it came down a little bit, stayed up, came down, stayed up. So this is a nice chart right after this little sell-off that we had. And this is a 1 hour chart, candle chart that we're looking at. So if we look at the 15-minute chart, it's a good amount of up and downs. I think at 2 a.m. today, it actually brought it down, let's see, it's about $1,015, which isn't bad at all. It stayed above that psychological level of 1,000 that we want to see. So hopefully it doesn't retrace back to that $991 level, and it stays above that 1,000 and hopefully keeps trending up. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart for today. Not looking too bad at all. Almost came down to about 111, headed right back up to 126, $16 gain there. So if you're trading this and you're in and out, with not too many shares, hopefully, because you don't really want to put yourself into a lot of risk, you could make a couple extra bucks, which isn't bad at all. So that's basically the price of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ether, which really had a very nice movement, and that was all today. Because yesterday, when I talked about it and looked at it, we hit the $8.05 level, and it kind of hovered between 805, 820, 830. But today at 10 a.m. from that 860 level, it really took a nice jump up and kind of hit a high of about $9.42, $9.50, and that was about 1:10 p.m. today. And then right from there, headed up to 980. And that seemed to be the high of today. This could definitely test a $10 level and head up from there, but this chart really looks good. It's trending up higher. It's not breaking down at all. This is a 1 hour chart. 6 hour chart. So if you're trading this and you got in, at the 701 level, which would have been December 25th, December 26th, you really made a good amount of money there. From 701 to 986, You know, that's a pretty nice gain. $2.80, $2.85, which isn't bad. So hopefully you guys took a little bit of gains, wait for a retracement, buy back in, and hopefully it trends up from there, and hopefully we don't see a breakdown of this chart. But looking at this 6-hour candle, I mean, this looks good. Good amount of volume came in. There weren't too many sellers to bring the price down. Um, so really going forward, I kind of see this breaking that $10 level and possibly heading up higher. And that's about all that I have for today. I hope you guys like these little videos that I'm putting out, just doing an analysis of the daily chart and kind of what I see and where the lows are, if it's trending up, trending down. And if you like them, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And let's go cryptocurrency. A lot of the currencies are trending up right now. So we'll kind of see. I think a lot of this has to do with China devaluing the yen. So if they end up doing that, or the speculation is when they do that, all these cryptocurrencies are gonna really trend a lot higher than currently where they are now. But you always want to play these with cautious. You don't want to go all in, put all your eggs in one basket. You might want to scale in, but also remember to take profits, especially if you're a day trader. Now, if you're an investor, buy low and then wait for it to go up higher. When you're comfortable, you made a good amount of profit, then sell and then wait for it to come back down. So that's kind of what I would recommend, but always stay cautious with any trades. One advice I always give people is, just like the stock market is going to do what the stock market wants to do. You can look at all these technical analysis and try to determine, how the stock is moving. You can look at the 10, 20, 200-day estimated moving average, but in the long run, they're not going to really dictate the stock moving. So stock's going to do what a stock's going to do, just like cryptocurrency is going to do what the cryptocurrency wants to do. So hopefully you guys found that a little helpful. But you guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll be putting out another video tomorrow. Thank you.